Good afternoon, ngayon po ay May 19, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong May 19, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, May 19, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM the result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 19, 2025, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for May 19, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of May 19, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.